So let's open it up. I'll try not to damage the entire packaging. Okay, this did not go as I planned. So, what do we have here? It's already placed in a really nice box. This is beautiful. Just box and everything inside. Okay, let's see what we got here. I have to say the quality of the bag is actually extremely nice. So we have the drone. Oh my god, it's super light. It's actually ridiculous how light it is. Look at this one. When I saw it on YouTube, it looked much bigger actually. So we have this. Then I believe this is a charger. No, sorry, this is the controller. Okay, I'm actually looking forward for this one. Well, this is actually quite heavy. So let's open that one up. Oh well, this really feels nice. So on the bottom you have the sticks for the joysticks, which I have no idea how to open up. Probably I need to have nails for this, so let's leave that for later. What else do we have here? Okay, I have no idea what this is. Most probably a manual. Quick start guide. The future of possible. Okay, two-way charging hub. Okay, so the documentation. Yeah. Then accessories. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, this is nice. I have to say that they pack it so amazingly. So the charging adapter, the USB-C, USB-C cable, USB-C and micro USB cables for the controller, the USB-A, USB-C cable, and that's it. So what's this one? This should be, I believe, the battery charger. Oh yeah. So this is the triple battery charger. One battery is probably in the drone. Oh yeah, one more is here. Okay, do we have anything else? No, I think something is still hidden here. Oh yes. Okay, so one more set of joysticks for the controller. 1, 2, 3 sets of spare propellers and one super small screwdriver. I think that's actually it. I cannot find anything else. Yeah, this is it, what you get in the box. So let's get outside and try to fly this thing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something completely different. Finally I bought a drone. This is the DJI Mini 2. It was a long time wish of mine to have a really nice drone, so I can combine it with my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Actually, I had a drone a long time ago. It was the first Parrot drone. I think it was a Parrot AR something. That one, unfortunately, although it was the first one, it was completely unflyable, unstable. It would crash. The camera was really bad. So after so many years, I finally got one. This is going to be, I believe, an amazing drone. It also has a 4K camera on it. So I think the video with this could be really nicely followed by the Blackmagic camera video. So today we are going to do a test flight outside of Tilburg. The reason for doing that is that every European country has different, well, the laws and regulations are the same, but the areas where you're allowed to fly are different. So this is something that what every operator needs to take care of, to make sure that he knows what are the restricted areas to fly. So you can use in the Netherlands the GoFly app. I think it's a GoFly, no sorry, my mistake, it's a GoDrone app. I will actually show you my screen here. So let's do this. Start recording. So on this app you can find the locations where you are allowed to fly. So as you can see right now, where we are located at the moment, I will zoom in here for you. Give it a second to load in. As you can see, this area is completely out of limits for the flight. So where there is a red area, it's controlled airspace, and controlled airspace goes from 0 meters, so that means that even you're not allowed to fly on, let's say, 10-15 meters out of the ground. So we are going to move outside of the city a bit to the outskirts. We are going to do a test flight there to see how does it perform. I can't wait to do that. I have all my batteries charged. The drone is now updated to the latest firmware. I read something that there are some issues with the firmware, so we are going to see what's going on there. And yeah, let's get to the first test flight. So for the first flight, I chosen this beautiful location outside of Tilburg. This is in front of the beautiful monastery where the Le Trappe beer is made. So since this is literally my first flight attempt, I will be doing everything for the first time, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I did some research online how to connect it and how to do it, but let's see. So first I'll find my phone and try to do the screen record for you so you can see what I see. Okay, let's take the phone out of the case. Unfortunately the Samsung case does not work well with the controller, so let's take this one out. Okay. Let's get the controller. The RC cable. Okay, we have this one. The Samsung Galaxy Note S20 Ultra is actually quite a huge phone, so I am having a bit of trouble putting it in. No pun intended. Okay, let's unlock it. Beautiful. Okay, this should work. Let's connect it. DJI Fly More. Let's start the screen record also. Screen recorder. And start recording. Yeah, so now he opened the questionnaire for me. I don't want that one. Great. Let's take the drone. Don't fall. Beautiful. I always forget the right order how to disassemble it. So first the top props, then the bottom one. Now the camera cover. I hope I didn't break anything. Okay, turn it on. So one short press and then press and hold. Okay. Now let's see the controller. Oh, I need to take out the flying sticks. This is going to be a fun one. Okay, I'm going to ask my girlfriend to do that. Can you please? I'll keep hold of the camera. So, look how beautiful it looks. Okay. This is going to be the area we are going to be flying from. And this is the monastery. Okay, beautiful. Here we go. So that one's done. Again, press once and then hold to turn on the controller. That's beautiful. Okay. Check and start facing you. Okay, kinda is. Remote controller check. Yes, that's done. Start auto check. Okay, start check. Also, I updated the firmware to the last one, latest version. Safety check has been done. Okay, altitude zone 150, that's okay. Okay, let's move away and let's try to fly this thing. Okay, we have prop spin. And we are up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. Well, this is actually quite fun. So right now I'm in the normal flight mode. Let's try to move it a little bit. Let's try to see. This is the monastery. Okay. The bird almost shot us.
Yeah, a friend told me that the birds want to attack the drone. So,
Seriously?
Yeah, so watch out for that.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
It's a quite high investment to be attacked by a bird.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go a bit up. Now we are at height only 12 meters. Maximum allowed height here is 120 meters. Okay. Well, you can see the entire monastery from here. Okay, let's try to rotate the camera, go up and just fly straight back. And look at us, you're here. Look honey, it's us. Let's rotate.
Let me film it. Can I try?
Give me a second. Let's move forward.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it is.
Go film the goats.
Goats, okay. Let's move a bit forward then. Okay, so as you can see, the drone performs amazingly. The new firmware, I did not see any problems with it. It flew amazingly well. At first, I was a bit scared to fly it, especially to go higher than 20 meters, because to me it looked ridiculously high. And the winds here in the Netherlands can be quite strong, let's say it like that. So yeah, I cannot wait to take it for a new flight again. The batteries lasted around 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, which is actually really good. I was not expecting that much of a flight time. What else to say about it? I think it's a great deal to get the combo, so to get the charger, to get extra 2 batteries, because with 1 battery when you go outside, you do 1 flight and the battery is out, then yeah, it's not going to be too much fun. So my recommendation for the drone, amazingly, yes, absolutely yes. What you need to take into account that this is a sub 250 gram drone, so even when the new law goes into force for 1st I think 2023, I'm not sure, check that one out, I don't know exactly the date. All the drones above 250 grams will be legacy drones, and they won't be able to fly anywhere in the city over the people. They'll be extremely limited, so that's why I think this one is a great purchase at the time. There are of course bigger and better drones, but for the bigger ones you need a license for now. Later, who knows what will happen with the new regulations. The image from this is amazing. Only thing I will try to do soon is add the ND filters to it, just to see how that one works. Other than that, it's amazingly easy to fly. It has a really stable flight. Even my girlfriend, as you saw, flew it a bit. Since she didn't crash it, not saying anything bad about it, but she doesn't have best technical skills nor knowledge. It's a great beginner's drone. I would recommend it to anybody. And I hope to make more videos with it soon. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're going to share this video, subscribe, do everything else. And if you like this video, please comment on it to see maybe we can do more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much.